Contest prep is going, guys. I got my hydrogen water here, and oh my gosh, I have to show you this. This is our hydrogen supplementation. So if you've not heard about these yet, you've probably heard of Gary Brucka promoting out there right now hydrogen tabs. Each 2 tabs you add to water. Well, that's actually old technology. This is endorsed by the world's #1 professor, Professor Oda. And what you do is you take it, and internally it helps your own body make hydrogen. It's going to last you in your body up to 6 hours, as opposed to just 1 hour to saturate your blood. So this gives you sustained energy. It's great for your microbiome, your gut bacteria, and the production of hydrogen is way more. And if you do it both at the same time, bam, more power to you. But this is a staple to my success. It comes in a little pack. It's super easy. You just take 1 or 2, and you can take it before you work out, after you work out. You can take it before bed. Doesn't really matter. But I take it before I work out. So cheers, friends. I'm going to go get myself my workout on.